My brother, make you love yourself. This life no be rush, so make you calm yourself. Make you take things so jaja. Make you live life before you leave you. Oh, my brother, make you calm yourself. When life knocks you down, you pick yourself up now. Don't know what's next, you cannot give up now. Yeah. You gotta stay strong, gotta stand all through the pain. When people feel you, it could pay you, but then you say, if you not show me love, I gonna love myself. How many be life where I won't kill myself? As I don't love my neighbor, I must love myself. I can't hold it, don't know, I can't kill myself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I recorded this makeup tutorial in 2018. It's been 2 years. I'm the queen of back vlog. Anyways, so this is my friend, this is Bimbo's best friend, Bisola. She's my muse today. Actually, it was her birthday shoot and I decided to record it. So some of the processes I'm using in this place, I've gotten better, but it's still a very beautiful, valid look. So I'm like, you know what, I asked on Insta story and you guys wanted to see it, so I'm like, I'm gonna edit it for you people. So as you guys know, halo eyes is one of my favorite looks to create, like forever and ever. So I decided to create it on her. I went in with the lighter color, lighter transition, darkened it with a darker color, and then my favorite part of halo look, swiping down. Except if you're using shimmer eyeshadow, it's very important that you actually swipe down and pat. That should be your middle name, Patricia. Pat till you can pat no more. Then I went back in with a darker color to make it even deeper. She has oily skin, so I went in with moisturizer, then a mattifier, and then we went in with foundation. So obviously you can see that her face is way darker than her chest, so I matched her chest. Obviously you cannot use a black foundation on her, so that's why I wanted you guys to see the power before and after. Very important that you try and match your chest as much as possible. When you're applying the foundation, it might look off and look scary, but by the time you're done blending downwards, it makes more sense. So right now I'm taking the color upward, meaning I'm going from her chest to the top, not from her head down. I hope you guys understand me. Yeah, so that's the trick. Match your chest. Whatever you're doing, match your chest. Except even if you feel like your chest is way too light than you would like, mix two colors. So mix a dark and a light, and don't forget to bring it down to the neck. It's very crucial. You guys know how I've explained my blending. Always blend from the outer perimeter inward, meaning you blend directly under the eye last. Don't forget. If you don't understand, I'm going to link a tutorial so you guys can watch the explanation better. Always blend again before you put the setting powder. What I can do differently now is use less setting powder, but then if you watch this place, I had to go into the sides of her nose very well. It's very important, especially if the person has oily skin. The nose and under the nose gets oily faster, so I didn't add any more setting powder. I just spread the one that was already there. For contour, I went in because she's a chubby girl like me. We need to bring out the cheekbones, you get, and contour our double necks. So yeah, that's what is happening. Obviously I'll blend it out, it will look less crazy, but then I went in. So for nose contour, the trick I always tell my students is the closer the lines, the snatcher the nose. So if your lines are enemies, your nose is going to look ferengede, like big. But if your lines are best friends, your nose is going to look snatched. So the closer the lines, the snatcher the nose. Let's put it that way. So this step is called reverse contouring, and I use it mostly for myself and like my chubby clients. People that already have slimmer faces don't really need it, or higher cheekbones, but this is to like clean up the contour and create the illusion of even a deeper cheekbone, basically. Let me put it that way. I had to slap Bisola because she was talking too much. I hit her with the brush. So now you saw that I went in with a bigger brush to dust off the excess powder, and then a smaller brush to get like the nook and crannies of her face. Is very important. Now I went to, I'm sure you guys will think, oh, the contour was a bit too dark. This is where I actually like buff it out. I buff it out a lot, so I don't want to see any line, but then I always go in dark first, then blend it out. Yeah. Okay, so because you put foundation on the neck, you definitely have to set the neck, meaning you have to apply powder and blend it. Everything has to be one color. You don't want two colors. Okay, so yeah. So this first setting, this is actually not a setting spray. This is more of a hydrating spray. Let me put it that way. So it's to remove, it's just like Fix Plus. This is my dupe for Fix Plus. It's just to remove the cakiness and let the face be a bit more dewy.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we honor your presence, yeah. Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we honor your presence. Kashinan, Ramanan, Circin Aljana, YANANAN, Kashinan.
Now this is the setting spray. After I'm done putting all my other layers, I had the setting spray, so just hold it together. So for under eye, I wanted a pop of color, like almost like peacock like a blue and green. So I went in with the blue first and then the green. So the blue was literally in a waterline, and then the green was a bit lower, so that way it was giving like that duochrome effect. So it's blue and green, and really like it turned out really nice.
YANANAN, oh, Kashinan, Circin Aljana, YANANAN, Kashinan, YANANAN. Where to a tree I got that, Lord, you said you'd be there. So long.
So for lips, I went in with this coral pink combination. I obviously added gloss, but then later on in the video you see how I made it a bit more like dark skin friendly, because right now it was not really dark skin friendly, meaning like our lips just looked bogus and I needed to like fix it. So I did. If you keep watching, you see that I did. Okay, so now I thought like it needed to have a bit like dark brown around it, so I went in with a dark brown lipstick just to like line our lips, because obviously the pencil was not doing enough. So this way now our lips does not just look bagada bagada. So thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. I literally had to force Bisola to do model work, but yeah, she tried. If you guys want more makeup tutorials, you guys should let me know. It's been so long I did the makeup tutorial. Like, whew, I miss voiceovers. I miss you guys. Yeah, before I keep on rambling, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love you guys. Kisses. Peace out.
I am free, so make we live life to the fullest. But Papa God don't say, picking where he created, don't they make a move. If you not show me love, I gonna love myself. How many be life where I won't kill myself? As I don't love my neighbor, I must love myself. I can't only do you, I can't kill myself. If you not show me love, I will love myself. Mellow, yeah.